Hi guys, this is Ronaldo Silva. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this podcast flat icon design using Adobe Illustrator. I will be sharing tips and tricks throughout the tutorial, so I suggest you not to skip ahead. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let me put the original icon aside. Let me start with the microphone body, so I will grab the rectangle tool and draw one like this. Then I will round the corners by dragging a corner widget. Then I will draw the top part of the microphone handle, so to do that, I will go to the object window, path, offset path. I will highlight the offset amount, turn on preview and will scroll up with the mouse for a decent amount and hit enter. Now let's give it some stroke weight. I will select the shape, go to the stroke panel, select align stroke to center, highlight the amount and will scroll up to a decent amount to match the original design and press enter. Now let's remove the top part of the shape. To do that, I will grab my rectangle tool, draw one like this on the top. Next, I will select both of them, go to the Pathfinder panel, click on minus front. I would like to turn off the fill color because we won't be needing it for the task. Now you may be wondering how to remove this top line. Here's the trick for it. I will grab my pen tool, add a new point here and the new anchor point will get selected automatically. Now press delete. That's how you remove it. I will go to the stroke panel and will put the cap to a round cap. Now let's turn this stroke into a shape because it will help us to have an outline stroke later in the process. So I will go to the object window, then expand. I will tick both of these options, press OK. Now this had turned into a shape, not a stroke. Let's proceed to draw the rest of the stand of the microphone. I will grab my rectangle tool and draw one vertically and another one horizontally. I will switch to my direct selection tool and select only the top two anchor points and then round the corners. Let's align the shapes because they are not balanced. I will select all, then select the top shape to make it the subject, then do a horizontal align center. Now let's cut off these box shaped parts from the microphone body. I will grab my rectangle tool and will draw one like this. Then I will duplicate it 3 times. I will group all of them into a single group. I want to make a perfect duplicate to the other side, so let me show you how to do it. I will select the rectangles group, then press O to grab the reflect tool and I will hover over the top anchor point of the microphone body. As I have turned on smart guides, I can perfectly select the topmost anchor point. By doing that, a simple reference point will be added. Then click and drag while holding Shift and Alt buttons together to snap it at 90 degrees while making a duplicate. Then I will select both rectangle groups, then go to the Pathfinder panel and click on Unite to make them a single shape object. Let's bring the boxes to the front by doing a right click, Arrange, Bring to Front. Then I will select the microphone body along with the boxes and go to the Pathfinder panel, click on minus front to cut off the boxes from the microphone. Now let's make all shapes to a single shape. I will select all, go to the Pathfinder panel and do a unite. Now let's give it a decent stroke weight. Select the shape, go to the stroke panel, align stroke to center and scroll up to give a weight. Give a decent amount and press enter. We are done with creating the basic icon. Make sure to check whether it has a fill. If it has, turn it off. Now let's create the background colored shape of the icon. I will copy the icon, then paste in place. Then I will grab the eyedropper tool. Sample fill color from the original design. Now let's offset it a bit by dragging while holding Shift. It will help us to move in a 45-degree angle. Now the shape is in front. Let's send it to back. Right click, Arrange, Send to back. Now we are done with creating our flat design podcast icon. I hope that you had found value in my tutorial. Please let me know your ideas and suggestions in the comment section. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon with another informative tutorial. Goodbye.